Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have numbers in a sheet, so start by confirming the column or contiguous block you want to add. Click and drag to select the range now. That selection tells Sheets what to compute. Once done, pick the cell where the result should appear and keep it active. Make sure the cells use the number format so formulas treat values correctly. If some entries include symbols, remove or convert them. Otherwise, the sum may skip those cells and return an unexpected total. Now enter the formula. Type equals SUM and drag the same range you selected, then close the parenthesis and press Enter. That instructs Sheets to add every number in that range. You can also type equals SUM, A2, A15 for a fixed block or equals SUM, A to include the entire column if you expect more rows. Once entered, the result updates automatically as numbers change. If you need to exclude headers or blanks, use Filter or Specify. Finish by copying the sum cell or adjusting references so totals stay consistent across sheets. Use $1.02, $1.15 when you need a fixed range. If the total looks wrong, inspect cells for text, leading apostrophes, or hidden spaces. Those prevent numeric addition. Make sure to convert entries with value, or remove non-printing characters with clean, and reformat cells as number. If you still see errors, click the formula cell to confirm the referenced range includes all intended numeric cells.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.